Welcome to this mammoth section on graphics and animations in Xamarin.Android. First, I'm going to talk to you about where you want to use graphics and animations inside of your apps. Then I'm going to run you through XML drawables. These allow you to use graphics without having to load images for your solution. And the advantage of that is that your graphics will look great on any pixel density device. Then we'll look at how to change button states using just XML, so there is no .NET C# coding required. Then we're going to get into the meat and potatoes of this section, learning how to animate. We'll first learn how to fade between two images using just XML inside of our app. Then we'll look at view animations, which was the original animations API included with Android version 1, and we run through it because it's nice and simple to use and gives us a basic understanding of what we're doing when we animate. Finally, we're going to move on to the latest and greatest property animations of Android, and these have been available since Android 3 and are the preferred way to execute animations. So in this section, you're going to learn a lot. You're going to do a lot of whiz-bangery, as I call it, creating fancy animations, and I'm going to give you the tool set to create the apps that you really want to create, the ones that have a fantastically animated UI that's subtle yet classy and that users will really give you a 5-star review for.